nearly went and got ourselves kicked out, didn't we?
I want to buy one. I want to buy one.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
I'm Seb.
I'm Nathan.
Welcome back to our channel. We're GeoPixels.
Yes, today's a bit of a sad day. We're literally last vlog in Bali, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a month. It's been gorgeous.
Beautiful.
And yeah, we'll be heading off somewhere else, but we'll tell you a little bit more about it later on in the video. So today we're going to a place that intrigued us, because when we landed in Bali, the first thing we could do, there's a massive shadow, massive shape in a the statue, like it looked like an eagle from the airport. So we've done a bit of research, and it looks like it's one of the tallest statues in the world. Yeah. So we're gonna go
bigger than the Statue of Liberty, I heard.
Yeah. So we're gonna go and explore a bit. Yeah. So the way to the park was pretty interesting. We got on a sort of a motorway.
Yeah.
But it didn't say bikes on the left or cars on the right, and we just went on, and then we all the cars and the buses are beeping, and then we realised we were completely in the wrong lane. It's really weird because they actually made it a motorway for bikes.
Yeah, like our own separate path.
So they connected the north of the island to the south of the island on a giant sort of bridge, and yeah, you've got your own little moped, bike, motorway. So anyway guys, so we just got to the GWK Cultural Park, and the entrance fee is 125,000 rupees. Yeah. And that gives you a free drink voucher as well, so we're going to go and get that. And they've also let us know that you can get some Segways. So
I'm going to get on a Segway, aren't we? We're going to
try and get on one.
It's been a while since I've been on a Segway.
Have you ever been?
I don't think you've been on a Segway. I have. No, I have.
I have.
Okay. We both have.
Yeah. We don't know much about the area yet, but we've been given a massive leaflet with a map, so I'm sure we can read a few lines on there and keep you updated on what it's all about. The nest,
I am indeed. I'm ready. Are you ready?
It's like riding a bike, you never forget.
I know.
Someone's having a bit too much fun with
it. Too much fun. This is well easy.
It's my turn now.
No, it's not.
Yes,
you should have got one.
You're going to get told off. You're not meant to go on the grass, you know.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. He's only jealous.
So we agreed to get a Segway, just the one to share. You get 15 minutes, it's 60,000 rupees each. Well, 60,000 rupees. And that one won't get off his Segway now. Are you going to get off it?
No.
It's my turn.
You got to look after me, I'm ill. When you're cold.
So am I. Alright, come on, it's my turn.
My turn. My turn. I can go backwards. Bye. Bye.
Nathan.
So I had to give in. I had to let Seb have a go because he was getting a bit upset. He was, if I must admit. He's having the time of his life as usual. Look at him. You having fun, Seb?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna give
I want to buy one. I want to buy one.
Yeah. I don't think it'll fit in our suitcase.
All that excitement got me really thirsty, so we stopped and he got himself. What did you get?
A Sky Tropical.
Sky Tropical, and what's in it?
I believe
mango, don't really know.
Pepsi Blue.
Yeah.
And
Slushy, mango and Pepsi. And I got myself,
sugar
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sugar cane juice. I can't even spit it out. Cheers, thank you. Right, can you see my mate behind me?
I can see your mate behind you, Seb.
That's my mate GWK8, that one is. And if you ask me what that stands for, hang on, I'll tell you in a second. That stands for Garuda Wisnu Kankana, and that's the statue. It's basically the 4th largest statue in the world, and it's twice as big as the Statue of Liberty. It's still under construction, so if you go inside, there's not much to see at the moment. There's only like a little red carpet that leads to a lift, but you can't go on the lift, so we get back out of it. And today Nathan is going to perform for us.
GeoPixels.
So we've been promised a show. Like,
yeah, a couple of times throughout the journey that we've been through Bali, and we've actually found one that actually is performing an act.
But that was interesting.
It was interesting. I actually enjoyed that show.
Yeah, I was being sarcastic. No, I enjoyed it. It was alright. It's something different.
Yeah. Every day you experience something.
Plus, the amount of times that we said that we would go and see a show whilst in Indonesia, and we never actually got to see one.
Yeah.
So
I was
he enjoyed
speechless the whole way through. I was like, oh. I like the cheeky monkey.
Yeah, no, it was quite funny, and I think the big idea, because again, it's not translated into English or anything, but I think the idea is behind it is the battle of humans against the gods. So now we're just gonna head out to the beach because we're literally not far off Nusa Dua, and it's such a sticky, hot day today. So
it's really hot today.
Can't wait to go for a swim. So we're at the beach, guys.
We are at the beach,
and we arrived at Padang Padang Beach, which is about 20 minutes away from the GWK Cultural Centre. And like everything else in Bali, apart from the air, you have to pay for the beach.
Pay for everything.
So you have to pay for the parking, you have to pay for the beach, and I'm suspecting that once you get to the beach, you have to pay obviously for the lounges and everything else. But yeah, we're just heading down now, and there's lots of little monkeys around. Cheeky monkeys. Don't know if you can see them. Go on, you go first. And we can't wait to go swimming. If you probably come towards the end of the day, I'm sure it gets less crowded. So we're going to try to find ourselves a little spot, and we're going to go swimming. So after chilling and relaxing around the beach,
I got too cozy to admit. I got too cozy. I nearly fell asleep, so I've had to wake me up.
We had to go though because it was getting a little bit late. The reason for that is because we wanted to see the sunset, and we moved just down the coast. I think that was about 15 minutes away from Padang Padang Beach, and went to Uluwatu temple, and we had to pay the entrance fee, which is 30,000. We probably want to have a look around, but we mainly wanted to take
and we bought
the
some
scenery.
Bracelets
Already got a bargain. So yeah, we will sneakily take the drone up and see if we get told off, but it's going to look stunning. We haven't seen any signs though. Yeah, because normally they're quite high on that. They're like, no drone, but I haven't seen anything. No. So we'll give it a go and see what happens. So only went and got ourselves kicked out, didn't we?
Yeah,
pretty much. It's so like the mafia, literally.
Yeah,
so
they want money left, right, and bloody centre.
I went to fly the drone, so in a quiet spot, not a lot of people there. There's only a lady selling those bracelets that we showed you. Yeah. And as soon as I got the drone out, I said, no, can't fly a drone, even though there's not a single sign anywhere,
nothing.
And I wasn't going to fly it anywhere near the temple. I just wanted the cliffs and the sunset. So me being me, it was like, I'm determined to fly the drone. So we walked a little bit further. We found a wall with a lady selling drinks there, and I said to her, do you know what? Can I go over the wall and take off from there and film the footage? And she's like, you have to pay 100,000. I was like, what? So
no sign or nothing saying that you could actually jump a wall and pay for over it.
Dirty old lady.
Yeah.
Anyway, I needed a shot, so I paid 100,000. Jumped over the wall. He stayed behind. I went, flew the drone, took off and everything, got my shots, and then 5 minutes later I see him strolling down, and he goes,
you kind of started packing up. She was like, oh, you can have a 50,000. I was like, no. In my mind I was like, she's packing up anyway, she's going to go home and I can just hop the wall. So basically I hopped the wall, got halfway to Seb, and then someone stopped me and said, have you paid? And I was like, well, there's nobody there.
Half of the staff was chasing him, and it's me that tried to take all the shots out. Oh my god. So eventually I landed, got all the shots I needed. I think that we caused a bit of a commotion there.
But I don't see the point, like literally.
They just want money for everything, so you know, it becomes a bit stupid and silly. Now we're all done, we didn't really have time to hang around because obviously we had the whole park literally chasing us. So we're just going to head out.
Not chasing him, chasing me.
Yeah, I overpaid 100,000 rupees, which is about a fiver.
50. I was like, yeah, that's okay, but I knew she was packing up, so it was pointless paying it in the
So now we're just going to literally pack everything up and go and grab something to eat before we head back to the hotel in Ubud.
Morning, guys.
Morning. So we came back from the south of the island yesterday, and we was absolutely knackered. It was a 3-hour drive.
The traffic was horrendous.
And we couldn't keep our eyes open, no. So we thought we called our goodbyes to Bali this morning. We came into Kampuhan Ridge. It's about 5-10 minutes away from our hotel. It's a stunning little walk through the jungle and the rice fields. absolutely stunning. I highly recommend, guys.
Yeah.
We tried to catch here for the sunrise this morning, but it's a bit overcast, so we're gonna wait and see what happens, and we're gonna try to fly the drone there a little bit later.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd do a little highlight of Bali, because
So
literally
our top two.
yeah,
Basically.
'cause we barely scratched the surface. Literally, we've been here for a month now, and I mean, there's so much to do. What was your highlight?
My highlight was second pool waterfall, and that was only because I felt like it was a nicer, more atmosphere. It wasn't as crowded. You had a guide that helped you along the way. It was just a scenic view.
Because you really liked it, because again, like what you said, it's not crowded, because it's quite hard to get to, and you have to work for it, and you get that sense of achievement.
Are amazing.
Yeah, it's absolutely staggering and beautiful there. I mean, if there was one place to see, like I said in the previous video, it'd probably be second pool fall.
Yeah.
And your second one?
My second, it would most probably be GWK.
The cultural park that we done a couple of days ago.
Only because, well, it's not Seb's number one or two, but I find it, for me, it was quite nice. It was not as busy, but that's the time we kind of went. You got a show in there as well. You also got like a Segway, you can rent a Segway. And
you enjoy that. Yeah, like I said, it wasn't my favourite, but we have to do compromise, you know, when you travel as a couple. Yeah. So my number two, the first one will be the same as Nathan, unfortunately, is second pool waterfall as well. Absolutely loved that place. It was just surreal. And my second one will just be, I know it's a bit corny and cheesy to say that, but it's just driving around Bali on the scooter with your helmet on, with all the rice paddies, the jungle, and just the, I don't know, the feel, the vibe of driving around Bali is absolutely amazing.
And I got to see more than he did, so it was quite a top experience, basically.
If I had a third one though, I would say Nusa Penida though. It's just, it's a trek, it's hard to get places, but it's just absolutely stunning, the beauty of the island, and because it's less crowded, less developed as well, it just adds to the feel of it. But again, like we said, we barely scratched the surface, and I really hope that in the near future we do come back to finish and carry on doing what we've been doing. But next we're off to
the Philippines,
and
we're going there tonight.
So our next video will more than likely be a travel vlog where we travel from Bali to El Nido in the Philippines, and we'll be spending a couple of weeks out there in a couple of different places, and we're really looking forward to it.
So I've planned the hotels, and I've planned everything that we're going to be doing around that area.
What could possibly go wrong, eh?
a lot. But I'm hoping for the best.
So yeah, I think that is it, guys, for Bali. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Notification bell as well, so you're notified whenever we get a video released. And we also have Facebook, Instagram, and our website as well for you guys to have a little check out.
www.geopixels.com, and you can buy our merch as well. You can see it. GeoPixels, I don't know, but I'm shaking because this camera is so heavy. But yeah, no, again,
this morning breakfast, that's what it is.
Again, thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.